Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Aishwarya's trip to South Korea, Busan for World Fashion Week, which was in Busan Stadium. Those interested in learning professional art courses can contact me, and I teach online offline. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in about in my channel. Dr. Aishwarya Pathpati, the top model competition winner of India 2023, the Miss Globe India 2023, and she came in top 15 from India in Miss Globe competition. She became ambassador for World Expo 2030 Busan, South Korea. This is an art exhibition in South Korea. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.